Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte wants the local government to look for the people who lined up outside Willie Revillame's studio from January 27 to 28. Belmonte has ordered the city epidemiology and surveillance unit to conduct contact tracing. Revillame's camp already provided the city government with a list of those who went to Will Tower. Several fans gathered outside the studio after getting information that Revillame will continue his yearly tradition of providing financial assistance during his birthday. The rumor, however, turned out to be false. Revillame did not make any announcement. He even called the mayor the day before to express his apprehension of the probable gathering. According to the Quezon City Police, they dispersed the crowd that swelled to around 2,000.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.